guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was a little bit absent in the last few months because I had so much to do, and also I was on a long vacation with my husband, but now I'm back and you will get regular videos of mine every week, so be aware of the new things I've gotten. For example, today I will unpack with you together my new Dior shoes, which I really wanted for such a long time. For these shoes, I've got a story because I saw them in Dubai, in the United Emirates, I think a few weeks ago, and I looked it up and I saw that in Europe they are not available. So this pair of shoes, guys, is only available in the Emirates, so it's kind of an Emirates edition with a lot of strass and bling bling. So let's unpack it together. So it comes in this beautiful shoe box from Dior with this golden logo on it. It looks so beautiful. And they come in this beautiful safety bags, which I find so cute. It's like even so protective because those shoes are also very expensive and very, very special. You will see why. So I will just put this apart, and now let's unpack this shoe, guys. I love it. It's so my style because it's very elegant and it's also in this beautiful black color, guys. Just look at this shoe with this beautiful bling bling and stress stones. It's actually very thin, but the comfort is very, very good. I just wore them at home. As you can see, the sole is still very clean. I haven't gone out with them yet, but I've worn them at home a bit and they are so comfortable. The leather here from the sole is very, very comfortable. It's so soft, and even though the sole is very thin, this shoe really makes you feel nothing on the streets. Like, it's really, really good. I will take this thing out and I will show you also inside. You can see here, I don't know if you can see, there is a code that the shoe is like original. We've got it from Dior, and actually I was the first in Berlin to get those shoes. It's actually so crazy because, as I said, those shoes you can only get in the Emirates, and in Berlin you cannot buy them in store, so you have to order them online. And they just came directly from the online store in the Dior store in the Kudam, and we just went and got it, and I was the first one, so the sales assistant told me that, so I believe it. They are also quite new. I think they came out just a few weeks ago, and I saw them, as I told you, in Dubai. So let's talk about the texture of this shoe, which is very, very special. I will also show you both, so you can see it's very, very nice. Yeah, first let's start with the golden Dior sole. So this shoe is actually all black, but it has some such elegant and minimal golden accents. As you can see, Christian Dior Paris is printed right on the sole. I hope this doesn't get like off while I'm walking, but I think not, because the quality of Dior is also very, very nice. And here comes the stress stones, which I fell in love with. You can see the whole Christian Dior logo on the front. This is printed in like wool, but all around there are like silver and gray stress stones. And also you can see here comes again the wool, and here you find the stress stones again. It's like a mix from black and silver and dark gray stress stones, and the finishing of this shoe is like perfectly made. It looks so elegant, guys. Just look at this elegant shoe. You can wear them for an elegant dinner, or also you can go out, like if you want to be a little bit more chic, or if you want to have an eye catcher on you, this is the right shoe. Also, the summer is coming, or even the spring. If it's not too cold outside, you can wear them at any time, I guess. You can wear them even with jeans, because if you style it with a beautiful black t-shirt, it will look very, very nice, also very casual. But of course, you can wear them with a nice dress in the summer. Also, I think it's also nicely made for the beach, if you don't go on the sand, but if you're like having lunch or dinner on a terrace on the beach, those shoes are the perfect summer shoes, guys. I am really in love with them. I wanted to show you the sole, which is made out of ivory colored leather. So this kind of sole I find also at Hermes Mules, which I also have. I will show you them in my next video, so maybe we can make a comparison next time. But it's a very high quality sole, and as I told you, it really comes with a nice comfort. On the sole you can again see the Dior logo. I'm wearing them in size 37 and it fits me perfectly. I've always gotten size 37, I think, in any shoes that I've got, and it's my perfect size also in Dior. I actually haven't seen anyone wearing those shoes. I've just seen them in Dubai and also in the online store, and also I've gone to KaDeWe where I've seen those in the golden color, because Berlin just got the golden color with the stress stones, but I really wanted the black ones, so I asked for them and they told me I cannot get them in Berlin, so I found another way, so I ordered them. For the price, I've paid the usual price, which is 1,050 euros here in Germany. But if I have bought them in Dubai, I think they would have been around 200 to 300 euros more. So actually, I thought about buying them in Dubai, but then I didn't. And when I came to Germany, I was so happy because I would have paid a little bit more. So I've even made a good deal with buying them here, guys, and I'm really happy about it. These are actually my first shoes which have those beautiful stress stones, and I think these are my first shoes from Dior, so I'm really happy I've got them in this collection. I've got other sneakers from Dior and stuff, but mules I haven't gotten, and those are my first mules from Dior. I'm usually an Hermes Mules fan, but I think Dior is also a classic, and I hope I can wear those shoes as much as I can. They seem like very interesting and you really don't see them so often. It would be an eye catcher 100% if you go somewhere. Everyone will look at them because they are so rare. Even in this black color, you won't see them in Germany so much, or even in whole Europe. The golden color might be a little bit more even because you can buy them in Europe, and I think also they've gotten them in one color more. It's a blue, which is also made like the same model with the stress stones and with the Christian Dior logo, but in a beautiful baby blue. I've seen all three colors in Dubai and I really fell in love with this beautiful black, because I found that in black you saw the Christian Dior logo the best. The other colors were very light, the stress stones were very light, and also the writing was so light that you just saw like a bling bling, but you didn't really see that it was Christian Dior. So the black ones really hit and I fell in love with it, and now I have them and I'm so happy about it. So guys, here you can have a view on how it looks like when I'm wearing those beautiful mules. I will show you the view from the front, and you can see the stress stones are so beautiful on each side. This is the side view. You can see the sole is quite thin, but it's very comfortable. Also from the other side I will show it, and from the behind you can see it is my perfect size and it looks very comfortable. I hope you like those shoes, guys, and if you want to convince yourself, just buy a pair of those and you won't regret it. So guys, if you like my videos, just keep on watching. I will post a video with my beautiful luxury stuff every week, so stay tuned, like my videos, comment then and subscribe to my channel.